Hey, so today we are down here in Damonte Ranch and we're getting a testimonial from one of our favorite clients who just closed on a brand new house here at the Regency in Damonte Ranch. Her name's Nancy. How you doing, Nancy?
I'm doing great.
Thanks for coming in. Actually, Nancy demanded that she do a testimonial for us. So Nancy, tell us a little bit about your situation. I know that you decided to do two of the toughest things in real estate, in a real estate transaction,
Yep.
which is downsize from a large house, lots of acreage, and do a seller contingency, meaning that you had to find a replacement home before you can sell your house. So tell us a little bit about what's it like to downsize a home.
Well, for me, it wasn't that bad because number one, I don't mind. I'm not a hoarder, so I can say that
Sure.
I just wanted to get rid of stuff. So downsizing, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Part of the problem with this house, which was half of what I had up on the mountain, I was concerned about where whatever furniture I had, where would I put it. But I'm probably going to get rid of more. But getting rid of the stuff and downsizing really wasn't that bad. It was trying to move on and start new beginnings in my life.
So that's one of the toughest things our clients like yourself deal with is the emotional side of downsizing is a tough thing, especially if you live there with someone else and moving on. Correct? That's the toughest part.
Exactly. My husband passed away 5 years ago, and I probably definitely couldn't have done it right off the bat. But after last year's winter, I thought I needed to get off the mountain, and
Mother Nature pushed you down the hill.
exactly.
So
Exactly.
a lot of things that we did that were very successful in Nancy's transaction on the downsizing. We did a pre-home inspection. Very
Yes.
helpful, yes.
Yes.
Found some issues that we took care of up front.
Yep.
Mold, but we got it all remediated.
You got it.
Fixed almost everything, and that really made the transaction smooth once we got into it, correct?
Yes, but poor Ken had to deal with me crying on him all the whole time. But we got through it. Yes, we got through it.
Now talk about how it's like doing a seller contingency, where you have to find a replacement home before the sale, because we have a lot of clients like yourself, a lot of equity built up in the existing home, but they got to sell it to use that equity to build it, to get another one.
Okay, so from the beginning, Ken did say to me, contingencies are not for the faint of heart. I didn't get it. Part of it, I didn't get half of what was going on. It's two things. I mean, not only are you trying to find a place, but you're also having to buy another. And so it's not just one issue, it's really two. And I didn't get that until I started right in the midst of it. And Ken kept me posted. So contingencies are not easy.
But they're worth it, correct?
Yeah, it's worth it because I'm here.
Right. And at first we looked at homes that didn't have a very expensive HOA, that didn't have a community. I'm glad that we talked you into it. So we found a great house for Nancy, and she was a little skeptical
Very
at the
much.
beginning because it was half the size of her existing home,
Yes.
and Nancy was looking for community and neighbors that cared about her. So we found her a great house in the Regency at Damonte Ranch. It's 55 and older.
Yep.
Give a little plug to the community out there, our other clients that are a little skeptical.
Okay.
A lot of people want to go live in a house with a normal HOA that don't have all the perks. Why do you like this place? And can you give a little plug on why someone should consider this community?
First of all, it is a community, and you're not alone. I love that aspect. You are part of a family that I feel like I am now, and the activities are over the top. When I first saw some of the activities, I felt like I was going to adult camp. I loved it. I mean,
Meet a lot of people.
a lot of people. I continue to meet a lot of people. You don't have to be alone anymore. I mean, you choose whether you want to stay in the house. There's people around, and there's activities. I can't say enough about it. I mean, I feel like I've died and gone to heaven in some aspects.
Yeah. So, well, Nancy, thanks for being one of our great clients. She calls me her what? Son.
My adopted son.
Adopted son. So, because we worked hard. That transaction took about 6 months, correct, from the start.
Yeah.
From getting roofs fixed because of the big snow, from remediating some stuff in the house, and then through the sale.
Yep.
It's not for the faint-hearted.
Nope.
But the relationships that we build, and see how we can help Nancy, and how she's a lot different person actually right now.
Because I'm not crying on you.
Yeah. So
That's
those are the things that make it worthwhile
Yes.
for us and really keep us going. So
Well, and I'm happy. It's nice when you can finally say your house is your home, and and the people are so. I got people to turn to, and that's huge. I can't say enough about it. So,
great. Well, give me a hug. I'm glad that you made it.
my other son.
Yeah, so you'll always be part of our family. We won't forget about you. And then the other thing is that if you're out there, you're thinking about downsizing, doing a contingent sale,
Call me.
go to our website. We can give you Nancy's information so
Yeah.
that you can check and see how we do. But go to our website, livinginsouth.com. We have blogs on there. We have videos almost on every topic, how to downsize, how to do seller contingencies. Check us out on YouTube and get in and check out all the information we have. So thanks again, Nancy.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for my other son. And this is a great place to live, guys. So if there's any thoughts of wanting to come down here, get bypast the HOAs, all the fees. The bottom line is that it's worth it. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah. So thanks for coming in. Good to see you. Take care. And if you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, you guys take care. Thanks.
Bye.